Want to easily share a reel you love directly to your Instagram story? I'll show you how in less than 90 seconds. First, find the reel you want to share. Look for the share icon. It looks like a paper airplane at the bottom right of your screen, right next to the comment icon. Tap it. A menu will pop up with several options. Select Add Reel to your story. It's usually the first or second option. This opens the reel within a new story creation screen. Now, you can customize your story. Add text by tapping the AA icon at the top right. Type your message, change the font, color and size, and drag it where you want it on the screen. You can also add stickers. Tap the sticker icon at the top. There are tons to choose from, like polls, questions, and GIFs. Browse the stickers and tap the one you like. You can resize it and place it anywhere on your story. Want to add a filter? Tap the filter icon, usually a circle with stars, at the bottom of your screen. Swipe through the available filters and choose one that you like. It will apply to the reel in your story. Once you're happy with your story, tap your story at the bottom left to share it to your main story. Or, tap Close Friends if you only want to share it with a select group. And that's it. The reel is now shared to your Instagram story. People can tap on it to view the original reel. Easy peasy. Like this video and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.